Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an admin to your Wix website so you can collaborate with business partners, editors, or developers while keeping your account secure in 2026. Let's get into it. First, navigate to your Wix site dashboard. The first step is getting into the administrative backend of your specific website. In 2026, Wix has streamlined the roles and permissions area to make it easier to manage a growing team from a central hub. Look at the left-hand sidebar menu. Scroll down toward the bottom until you see the settings icon. This is the security phase. You never want to share your own login credentials, email, and password with anyone. By adding an admin through the dashboard, you are granting them their own unique access, which you can revoke at any time without changing your own password. Next, invite a new team member. Now you are ready to send an official invitation to the person you want to add as an admin. Look for the blue button in the top right corner that says plus invite collaborator or plus add team member. Enter the email address of the person you are inviting. Make sure you double-check the spelling so the invite goes to the correct inbox. This is the identification phase. In 2026, Wix requires a valid email address because the system will generate a secure, one-time use link. This link is the only way for your new admin to join the site, adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Lastly, select the admin role. Wix offers many different roles, from blog editor to store manager. You need to select the one that grants the specific level of power your collaborator needs. From the list of roles, select admin, co-owner, or website admin. Carefully read the description of the role. An admin co-owner has almost the same power as you, except for deleting the site or changing ownership, while a website admin can edit the site but has limited access to billing. This is the authority phase. In 2026, it's best practice to follow the principle of least privilege. Only grant the admin role to people you truly trust. If they only need to write articles, consider the blog editor role instead. This keeps your sensitive business and billing data private. And that's pretty much it. To add an admin on Wix in 2026, go to your site dashboard, click on Settings, and select Roles and Permissions. Click Invite Collaborator, enter their email, and select the admin role from the list. Once you send the invite, your collaborator just needs to accept it from their email to gain full access to help you manage your website. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.